Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Web Coding. My name is Durgesh Sahani. In this series, we will build an e-commerce admin panel with Laravel Inertia Vue and MySQL. By the end of this video, you will understand what we are building. You will also see why inertia matters and how Laravel with Vue and MySQL work together. In a REST API project, the front end usually runs as a separate app. It sends requests to Laravel, Laravel returns JSON, and the front end updates the page. With Inertia, Laravel still controls routes, validation, and database work. Vue handles the page interface. Inertia connects both sides without a separate REST API layer. This matters because the project stays inside one Laravel application. We still get modern Vue pages, but Laravel authentication, validation, redirects, and flash messages stay natural. The project is an e-commerce admin panel. We will build authentication and an admin layout. Then we add categories and products. After that, we add image upload, validation feedback, and a real dashboard. Laravel will handle the server-side work. Inertia will pass data into Vue pages. Vue will handle the interface. MySQL will store the project data. One key idea is inertia forms. Instead of writing fetch calls for every action, we can submit forms in a Laravel-friendly way. The page still feels modern. Here is the roadmap. We start with setup, database design, and authentication. Then we build category CRUD and product CRUD with image upload. Finally, we finish with a real dashboard. This series is for PHP beginners upgrading to Laravel. It is also for students, freelancers, job seekers, and developers who want to use Laravel with Vue and Inertia. In the next video, we will create the Laravel Inertia Vue project. We will connect MySQL, open the app in the browser, and understand the starter folder structure. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share it with other developers. If you have any questions, write them in the comments and subscribe to Learn Web Coding for future updates.